Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at GitHub and I'll be explaining to you guys essentially how can you close or delete your GitHub's account permanently. So let's jump right into it. First of all, be mindful that once you delete your account on GitHub you won't be able to get it back. All of your progress and data will be deleted as well, so make sure to think twice before you opt for a deletion. Now to start the deletion process, you'll click on your profile picture right here and then click on settings. From the settings page on the left hand side, you will click on your account and down here you will scroll down. So on the left hand side, click on account, settings, and scroll down until you see the delete account section. Once you delete your account, there is no going back. Please be certain. You'll click on yes. Then just for confirmation, you'll verify your username or email. Type delete my account in this bracket right here. Click on cancel plan and delete this account and your account will be completely deleted. So thank you for watching this video. That is the fastest way to delete your GitHub's account. Hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.